financial need, correction, tama ang computation. That's all. You cannot require any other documents for bid evaluation. The only time you require additional documents is during post-qual. That happens only after you pass the eligibility, you pass the bid eval, and you're number 1. You're the lowest calculated bid. And for you to be responsive, you go through the post-qualification stage. Does that make sense to everyone? Okay, be mindful. A lot of us nagfe-failure dahil dito. Alam niyo po, ang magandang example nito sa Central Office is the procurement of textbooks. Okay? Gaano po katagal ang procurement ng textbook dati? Up to 3 years. Okay? Binago na po natin yan. Bukod po sa pagbabago sa ating strategy from development to procurement of available titles, we streamlined the bidding documents. Tinanggal na po namin yung katakot-takot na certification, katakot-takot na documentary requirements. Alam niyo ba, in 2023 and also some 2024 procurement, after opening, it would take half a year to post one textbook. Even more. In fact, may umabot ng 2 years. Okay? After opening, based on data, it has taken at least 6 months to post one. Okay? Even as long as about a year. Okay? And after award, minsan 1 year pa, additional 1 year pa. When we streamline the bidding documents, alam niyo po ba gaano kabilis from opening to post-qual? It has taken about a week or so. So much so na natapos na po natin ang 2024 procurement ng textbook, wala na po yan. Alam niyo po bang tapos na rin ang 2025 procurement ng textbook? Alam niyo ba yon? And alam niyo ba that this January, nag-opening na kami for the 2026 procurement ng textbook? What does it mean? We expect to award sometime soon. Only because we changed the strategy, we changed the bidding documents without even changing the rules. It's not because of NGPA. Even if we apply 9184, it's the same for textbook. The thing, however, the change was, we took out many